So I just want to throw it out there that my dog snores like a man. Darn it, he's like quieting down now. Let's see if I can catch him in action. He's pretty cute, I must say. Apparently he stopped.
Tice! Ticey! Where are you going? Say hello, America! Hello, America! Say hi! Zoe, shush. Isn't he cute? Say hi, Tice. Ticey. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello, Bobby.
Dude. He's kind of lazy, as you can see. Alright, I'm gonna say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Oh, there's Zozo. Go away, Zozo. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everyone. Say bye-bye.